Okay, again I will tell you, from last 2 to 3 weeks we are doing the online Instagram batches live. So first time only we are going to have a upper body session workout today. So before starting the batch, you just need a big towel and a water bottle filled with water. We just need two equipment, a normal big towel, and water bottle with you. So before starting any type of physical activity or physical exercise, we need a proper warm up. We need a water bottle for exercise also and for drinking also. You can have two water bottle with you. So we will start with our batches. So basically we will start with first warm up. So normal squat jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change jumping at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we are not going to do more exercise of lower body because we are not having any exercise of lower body. We are going to work on our upper body. So for the upper body workout, what warm up should we do? So we are going to have a rotator cuff exercise, warm up exercise for warm up. So I am going to just fold my palm and I am going to just come up and I am just going to press it out. 1, 2, slow, 3 on my count, 4, 5, 6, elbow closer to our body, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So while doing this exercise, you can feel the pressure or the pain at the side of our arms. So we are working our rotator cuff. Now the second warm up exercise we are going to have just rotation 1, 2, 3, elbow closer to your body, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we have worked our internal and external rotator cuff. So basically we are now going to work on our shoulder exercise. So we are doing this for the warm up. So we are going to have 90 degree up, 1, again down, 2, up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Okay, now we have done with our warm up exercise. Warm up exercise for upper body. We will just have a 10 to 20 seconds break. Then we are going to start with our workout. We are not going to have a more break in exercise. So we will start directly to our exercise. So first we are going to just have the normal push-up position. The normal push-up position hold. Okay, normal push-up position hold. We are going to take a normal shoulder distance in leg. We are going to have push-up position. We are going to just raise 1, 2, 3. We are going to work on our back. 4, 5, 6. Elbow up. 7. Elbow up. 8, 9, 10. Flat position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you have noticed that while doing this exercise, you feel the pressure on your back, which is known as the scapular muscle. You are working on your upper exercise, upper body, which is known as a collar muscle. We are going to work on your collar muscle. Collar muscle means the muscle which is joined to our shoulder, known as the collar muscle. We are going to work on a collar muscle. So again we are going to do the same exercise, a push-up position and elbow up. Again normal push-up position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 90-degree angle in hand. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So while doing this exercise, not only the hands but your core also get activated while doing this exercise. So you will have a quite pressure on your core muscles also. The core muscles also get activated because we are holding the exercise against the gravity. So we have done a push-up position and elbow raise for our collar muscle. Collar muscle we have worked. Now we are going to work on our bicep and tricep. So we are going to hold isometric hold. We are going to do the isometric hold. So we are going to keep our right hand closer to your body, 90-degree angle, and the left hand we are going to keep a 90-degree, and we are going to just hold. We are going to press our left hand downwards. We are going to press our left hand downwards and right hand upwards, so that your bicep of right hand and tricep of the left hand is going to work. So we are just going to hold 90-degree and press 1, 2, 3, 90-degree angle, 4. You can feel the pressure on your bicep of the right hand and the tricep of the left hand. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. You can feel the pressure. So the same exercise with opposite hand. Now we are going to hold the left hand. We are going to press from your right hand. Right hand tricep is going to work and left hand bicep is going to work now. So look, 1, on my count, 2, 3, press down, 4, isometric hold of bicep and tricep, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you can feel the pressure. Again we are going to have the same exercise with right hand. Start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, pressure. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can feel the pressure on tricep and bicep as well Okay, now the same exercise with left hand. Start 1, 90-degree angle, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we have done our bicep and tricep. Okay, now look, you just need a normal towel. You just need normal towel. Okay, you just need a normal towel. You are going to lie down on your stomach in Superman position, and we are going to hold the Superman position, and we are going to do a diving pull-ups. We are going to do a pull-ups now. So first look properly what I am going to do, and then we have to do. I am going to hold my legs up, hands up. I am going to put the pressure. 1, 2, 3. The shoulders are working. 4 and 5. Okay. First, lie down on your stomach. Towel, we are going to pull it out, and just 1. We are going to work on your back and shoulders. 1, 2 pull-ups. 3, your tricep is also getting activated. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, while doing this exercise you can feel the pressure on your tricep, on your back and on your shoulders. So we are going to do this exercise again 10 count. Same exercise again. Lie on your stomach, legs up, hands up in Superman position. 1, 2, slow on my count. 3, 4, 5, chin up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So we have done a Superman position pull-ups. It's called as a diving pull-ups. Also you can feel the pressure on your arms, on your tricep, and as well as on your back. So we have worked a various muscles in this exercise. So we will just have a 10 seconds break. Again we are going to start with our exercise. Just a 10 seconds break, not more than that. Now change again. Again we are going to have a first stretch hold and elbow raise. Chalo again in push up position. 1, 90 angle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we are going to have the same exercise again. Again the bicep, isometric bicep. We are going to have done with first set. We are doing the second set. Again we are going to have a bicep. We are going to have a 90-degree angle. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So again the same exercise we are going to have. The same exercise we are going to hold a 90-degree angle, and we are going to just hold in isometric position. 1, 2, the left hand bicep and right hand tricep is going to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and relax. Now again skydiving push-ups. We are going to have skydiving pull-ups again. Again lie down. Superman position, leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We are going to have this batch we are going to have each batch for the 45 to 60 minutes. We are going to have each and every batch for the 45 to 60 minutes. Again we will have a just 10-second break. Okay, while doing these exercises you can feel the pain pressure on your shoulders, on your tricep and bicep. So now moving further to the next exercise, we are going to have a camel position. We are going to have a camel push-up. We are going to have a camel push-up. Okay. Now hump. We are going to make a hump like a camel. We are going to keep our hands inner side. Okay, we are going to have a camel. We are going to keep our hands in, leg closer, and 1, your head should be in both hands. 2, 3, feel the pressure on your shoulder. 4, now again start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We are going to do the same exercise again. We are going to do the same exercise again. But before doing the exercise, listen my instruction carefully. We are going to keep our hands inner way, inner side. We are going to keep our hip up as a camel hump. So leg closer. We are going to just touch. We are going to go down, and we are going to go down and slowly up. Again, start. 1. Your tricep and shoulder. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so we have work on our tricep and shoulder. How you do the shoulder lateral raise, the feeling of shoulder and lateral raise should come. Again, we will need a big towel. We are going to hold. We are going to hold the towel like this, a hammer grip. We are going to hold the towel in a hammer grip, leg in, and just pull 1, 2, elbow lock, elbow should lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So your bicep get activated. Again, the same exercise with different leg. This exercise is not for the leg, it is for your bicep. So we are going to work on our bicep. Hand closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put pressure on towel. 8, 9, and 10. We are going to do the same exercise again. So again, same with right leg. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, elbow closer. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, same exercise with left leg. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, again we will need a towel. So, we have work first on your shoulder, then bicep, and now we are going to work on your back muscles, upper back. Now plank position. We are going to have a normal plank position. We are going to just 1, 2, 3, 4. Your scapular muscles also get work. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now again the same sequence from the first push up. We are going to have a 20 push up, camel, hump position push up, then again bicep curl, and again of plank push up. Now again inner side, leg closer to your body. Start 1, 2, your shoulder and tricep activated. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Whew. Now again the same, a bicep curl, a hammer. Again the hammer grip. Now start 1, 2, elbow closer, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The same exercise with left leg. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now the exercise again, a plank position, push up, working on our scapular muscles and back, upper back. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now again a break for 30 to 20 seconds. Yes, Aditi, you can do the abs. Before starting the batch, if you have doubt regarding the batch, regarding the exercise, you can ask me. Last 10 seconds break. Last 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now again we are going to start the third set. Again we are going to have a push-up position. Again we are going to have a push-up position. In flight 1, 2, 3, sideways, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for your upper back, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So now the next exercise we are going to have a diamond push-up. Legs quite wider. We are going to have a diamond push-up for your chest. Your chest is going to get activated for your chest, for your back. Okay. For a diamond push-up, you can have a knee bend, knee line, half position also, or if you are fit, you can have a normal push-up also. So for the beginners who are doing the first time, I will show you the exercise how to do the knee touch push-up. Okay, the diamond position, hip press in, don't arch your back, and just go down. 1, 2, your tricep is also get activated. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chalo, get ready. Start with me. Again, start a normal knee position. Hip press in. It should not out. It should be press in. Diamond position and go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, on my count, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, moving to third exercise of the set. Now we are going to have a star or an elongated plank. We are going to have a star plank. Look, we are going to have a star plank. We are going to work on our core muscles, our tricep, our back, and our chest will also get activated. In this exercise, we are going to do the star plank or elongated plank. So you can take a normal towel, a wider distance in hand, hands out, leg out, closer to your ground. 1, 2, 3, leg out. 4, 5, 6, 7, closer to ground. 8, be soft. 9, 10, last 5. 1, elbow soft. 2, slightly bent. 3, 4, and 5. Whew. It's lagging. It is. My connection is good. Hi. If you are hearing me, if you can listen me, if you are doing exercise with me, we will just have a 10 to 20 seconds break. Just thumb up if you are with me now. Just raise the thumb. Okay, but I am having good connection, man. No doubt in my connection. I think so. Okay, good connect. Okay, Dhruv, we will start further. Again, we are going to have a first stage fly. We are going to have a first stage fly again. Then we are going to have a diamond push-up, and then we are going to have a elongated or star climb. So again, first we are going to have a first stage and fly, back fly. Start. 1 sideways, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now again we are going to have a push-up, diamond push-up. You can bend your knees, or if you are too fit, you can hold up, but it is good to touch your knees down, push your hip down, hand closer, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will have a elongated plank. We are going to work on a tricep. We are going to work on our core. Again, a star plank or elongated plank. A wide distance in hands, wide distance in leg, and elbow soft, knee soft, closer to your ground, closer to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4 and down. Okay, only last 3 exercises we are going to have now. Then the stretching of upper body and lower body, not lower body, only upper body. Now we have done with our star plank. The next exercise we are going to have an Indian push-up or zor. We are going to have an Indian push-up now. We are going to work on our back, on our chest and shoulders. We are going to have a 10 Indian push-up. So again, start. You are going to have an Indian push-up. Quite more distance in your hands and in your leg also. You are going to have an Indian push-up. Now the swing push-up. Start. 1 Indian push-up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, again we are going to have 10 counts of Indian push-up. So again quite 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again back to Indian push-up again, 10 counts. Again the 10 count. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now okay, now we have done the Indian push-up. We have worked on your lower back, chest, tricep. Now we are going to work on our hamstring. You need just water bottle. The bottle should be filled with water. Okay, a normal cat camel position. A normal cat camel position. We are going to hold bottle here. You are just going to do kick back, tricep kick back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So you can feel the pressure on your tricep. Your tricep is working. So now don't change your side. I am just changing my side because for the visual. Again same action. Again 90-degree hold. Press back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So we have done with our whole exercise of upper body strengthening. We have done.